mothers, they're all the same. For some reason, they think it's part of their job description to stop us from having any fun. Not my mother, though. She was different. Do you know what she used to say to me, Ducky? No. You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chew your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So Ducky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tongue before the crunch. You can play with your food, why fight it? It's a crazy little game called lunch. So, tell me, Ducky, what would you like to play? It can be anything. I won't tell your mother. Anything? Well, I'd like to pound the puddles, dabble in the mud, take us to the backs of the shallows. Then maybe if there's time, go sliding in the slime in the marsh where you find marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch water boatmen race. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case. I would rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably something in the kitty. Oh, hide and seek, is it? You can play with your food before you nibble. You can jest with your joint before you slice. You can play with your food but don't dribble. My mama gave the best advice. You can play with your food before you gulp it. You can mess with your meal before you munch. You can play with your food, then pulp it. It's a crazy little game called lunch. We could go rushing in the bushes, dashing down a ditch, find the kind of place where it's boggy. Then make a little camp where it's secret and damp for me and my mate the moggy. But if the other ducklings want to come and join our games, they have to make a promise first to stop calling me names. Oh, I'll help you to forget the way they scolded. Ooh, a pond! Just as soon as I have got my napkin folded. You can play with your food before you eat it.